Good evening, everyone. It finally started to feel a little bit like summer for us today. We actually hit a high of 88 degrees at Busch Field. This was the warmest day we've actually seen in close to 2 weeks, and it actually was the first time in over 2 weeks that we saw a high temperature above average. So we not only brought back the heat, but a little bit of humidity, and that is going to continue heading into tomorrow. High temps should be able to hit at least the low 90s Tuesday afternoon. You can see there's going to be a little temperature drop though heading into the middle of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Fairly seasonal high temps before we do see another big warm up head our way this weekend. But the reason why we will see a little bit of a temperature drop heading into our Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is that a front is going to move through tomorrow, which is why we also have the chance for a few thunderstorms. Currently speaking, though, if you're heading out anytime soon, our temps are still close to 80, and we're only going to drop into the mid and upper 60s by late tonight into early Tuesday. We had a few showers and thunderstorms that we were dodging across the area earlier this afternoon. Those are now moving well south of Augusta, and currently just some lingering light showers across places like Millen, Sylvania, in the southern CSRA, but we are expecting dry weather for the rest of this evening and tonight. We're going to widen out this view for you, and you can see that there is going to be a backdoor cold front that is going to move in from the north and east tomorrow afternoon. So ahead of the front, we're still going to be pretty warm, which is why those high temps will be close to 90 tomorrow afternoon. But with that front moving into the region, that's going to be our lifting mechanism. That's what's going to help produce these showers and storms tomorrow afternoon. Right now, not expecting much in the way of severe weather. Maybe a stronger wind gust or two with some of these storms out there Tuesday, but for the most part, generic thunderstorms that will be popping up and generally clearing out as we head into Tuesday night. By the time we get to Wednesday, we have high pressure setting up just towards our north. That's bringing back a northeast wind, so a little bit cooler outlook and not going to be as humid for us Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with those winds turning out of the northeast. Here's our severe weather threat tomorrow. As you can see, the entire CSRA is outside of that one little tiny slither of a marginal risk. That does include Columbia, Florence, Myrtle Beach, kind of the Midlands, all the way to the PD of the South Carolina low country. So just a heads up, there could be a few stronger storms out there. Just looks to be a low threat for us here in the CSRA. Here's a look at our temperatures over the next couple of days. So Tuesday is looking like the hottest day for the rest of the work week. High temps will be close to 90 between 1 and 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Heading into Wednesday, those high temps should generally stay low to mid 80s late into the day, and we will see plenty of sun for our Wednesday. Low temperatures going to be pretty muggy tonight. We're only going to drop down to the mid 60s, waking up early Tuesday. Still in the 60s early Wednesday, but you can see we get some cooler nights back Thursday, Friday, Saturday morning. Those should be down into the 50s, so feeling much more comfortable for us and likely be able to let those windows open a couple nights this week. Moving forward, this is kind of late into the forecast, so this is the 6 to 10 day outlook. Right now, most of the two-state underneath a warmer than average chance for temperatures between May 14th and May 18th. So kind of that middle May forecast looking to stay on the warmer side for us. So a heads up, it is getting close to the official start of summer, and it's going to start feeling like it for us. Here's a full look at that 7-day forecast. Remember, watch out for those storms tomorrow afternoon. Once we move past Tuesday, not much rain in our forecast. We should generally stay dry all the way through the weekend past Tuesday. Notice those weekend highs, though. We're going to be back into the 90s and potentially as high as 93 by Sunday afternoon. So take advantage of the 80s later this week. Hope you have a great evening. We'll see you later tonight on News 12 at 11.